Apple Pay lets you tap your iPhone to pay in stores, make quick in-app purchases, and skip carrying physical cards. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set it up. You'll need to launch this app wallet. This is the default app in your device. In case you cannot find this, you can navigate to App Store, search for the app wallet, and then download it. Now launch it. At the top, you're gonna find this plus option. Click on that. Now different options will appear. Navigate to the option debit or credit card, then tap continue. Now you can either hold your card near your iPhone to scan it automatically or enter the details manually. Follow the prompts to add a card. Your bank or card provider may require verification. This could be via a code, a call, or through their app. Once verified, your card will be added to the Apple Pay and ready to use. Before you finish, open Settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Wallet and Apple Pay. Make sure double-click side button is turned on. This makes it quick to access Apple Pay from the lock screen. To pay in store, double-click the side button, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and hold your iPhone near the payment reader. You will see Done and check mark when your payment is complete, and that's it. This is how you can easily set up Apple Pay on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.